Okay, here in my hands is the MIKA3D PLA filament, which I needed some very specific colors. This comes in bronze, silver, and a gunmetal gray. The gunmetal gray was the one that I was looking for in particular because I was building a cool rocket for weeks and I needed motors that were gunmetal gray. And so that's why I ordered this, and I will tell you, I used it, it worked perfectly. I'm gonna put up right now a little time lapse of me making a little shiny little boat so that you can see what it looks like, because it really is kind of a really cool gunmetal, silvery kind of two-tone metallic look kind of. It was perfect if you have that kind of cool metallic thing that you want to print out. The material didn't stick at all, didn't tangle, super easy to work with. I mean, I printed a lot of little engines, so I know pretty well, but I still have a whole bunch of colors. I'm excited to use this bronze. This bronze looks really neat. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to bust in there and keep printing. You know, I gotta keep that printer going 24/7, otherwise I get bored. In any case, this is absolutely a winner for me. It was the colors I wanted, it worked well, really that's all you want. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.